I've been in Sunrise for 7.5 years almost. I came here as a care assistant. I'd never done care before, so I requested to do an NVQ2 in health and social care. I thought this would be a really good qualification for me to do, as I wanted to develop in care, and I thought care could be a sector I could work in on a long-term basis. So I was able to develop my skills in delivering care, but also my understanding of what it means to give care.
When I started working here, I basically had no experience at all. So I felt like I wanted to move further, but I could see that I needed more experience, more knowledge. And after I started, I saw that actually I'm so close and I can take the next step further. So it just took me a couple of months after I started the apprenticeship with Paragon that I've applied, and I got the job. And now I'm still learning, of course, but it was the urge that I needed.
I think what the apprenticeship's given me so far is the understanding between our policies and procedures in the company and how they relate to the legal framework in the UK. So it's been a really useful marrying of those two things. It's helped my skill set as well, and I think it's built my confidence in terms of things that I can use on a day-to-day basis and integrate into my experience with the company.
I've been lucky enough as I've been in Sunrise to develop, and I'm now the assisted living coordinator, so I'm now in a management role. And I am lucky enough to be doing my NVQ5 in management and leadership. I'm really enjoying it. It's benefiting me on a daily basis, learning about different management styles, behavioural traits, leadership styles. So I'm able to apply these to my role and also critically assess how I'm dealing with situations and how I can improve the service I offer to my team and to my residents.
The main benefits to us as an organisation in offering vocational apprenticeships to our team members is that we can ensure full compliance of their training and meet with the outcomes of our regulators. It also allows us as an organisation for our team members, dependent on their role and responsibilities, to fulfil their own career journey within the organisation and take on the learning and development and skills that are offered through the vocational qualifications.
One of the things that's been great is the Paragon Skills tutor that I've had. When we were choosing the subjects that were of interest to me, particularly I'm interested in dementia, she helped me choose the modules that will be most suited and integrated and useful in my day-to-day work, so I've really appreciated that.
I wasn't expecting to have such a good relationship with my tutor. So I think the human resource was the most important support from Paragon, because you connect to that person and then it makes you feel more confident, you feel stronger, you feel like you can do actually any task. So I found with Paragon that they were flexible with my time, and this made me feel at ease during the apprenticeship.
To other companies looking to offer apprenticeships, I would say it's definitely a positive. Our staff here are more highly trained, they're better developed personally and professionally. And that's also of benefit to our residents on a daily basis. We can offer a better service because our staff are better trained. Staff are more likely to stay with you if you're offering them challenges, offering training. People want to work somewhere, where they're challenged, where they're engaged, and they look forward to coming to work because they have the chance to develop. So for me, I think a company that offers training is a better company to work for.
It's been more motivational in terms of being able to use that information from the course, especially dealing with regulatory bodies. I'm much more confident, so things like the CQC, Care Quality Commission, safeguarding, I have much more knowledge about that now than I had when I first started.
As a large employer, the apprenticeship levy has provided us with multiple opportunities to provide team members with skills and resources for them to enrol on qualifications that meet the needs of our business, but also has allowed our team members to further their career journey within the company.
Paragon Skills have been very good to me. Communication has been excellent, they're very supportive, and I couldn't recommend them highly enough for any company or individual looking to start an apprenticeship programme.